Every student on campus has tried to use the Comet Cab, but what is their experience? Why is the experience inadequate? Riders are unsure when the cab will arrive. Riders do not know how full the cab is until it arrives. Drivers cannot distinguish between potential riders and pedestrians. Bad weather enhances the problem. Riders cannot differentiate whether a cab is on or off duty. New students have a hard time finding information regarding the routes and safe boarding locations for cabs. Administrators have no platform to monitor the cabs. What if we made cabs smart using CometRide? CometRide is a system that improves the experience for riders, drivers, and administrators. Riders app. The riders can use the Comet Ride app on their Android or iOS devices to track the on-duty cabs on a per-route basis. They also receive real-time updates on the cab's capacity. When a rider presses the "I'm interested" button, the application will notify the system that he wants to ride this route and marks the nearest safe boarding zone for him. If the rider is very far from the route, he will be directed to move closer to the route before asking for a ride. Driver's app. The driver logs into the system with his credentials and chooses his route and shuttle. Once logged in, the driver's location is tracked in real time and he will receive requests from interested riders. The riders are represented by blue markers on the map. The markers are removed when the driver reaches the safe zone. When the cab is moving, the display is hidden to avoid distracting the driver. When he stops, the display returns so the driver can see interested riders. When a rider gets on or off the shuttle, the driver updates the capacity using the clicker or the plus and minus buttons on the touchscreen. Administrator platform. Administrators can track the cabs in real time and review statistics including per hour ridership, per route ridership, and hours worked per driver. They can define new routes and update or remove existing routes. They can also add and remove new drivers and cabs as needed. The Comet Ride system enhances convenience for the riders, streamlines the process for drivers, and strengthens the administrator's control.